Thou knowest, O God, and art my witness, that I have no desire in my heart save to attain thy good pleasure, to be confirmed in servitude unto thee, to consecrate myself in thy service, to labor in thy great vineyard, and to sacrifice my all in thy path. Thou art the all, and the all-seeing eye have no wish save to turn my steps in my love for thee towards the mountains and the deserts, to loudly proclaim the advent of thy kingdom, and to raise thy call amidst all men, O God. Open thou the way for this helpless one, grant thou the remedy to this ailing one, and bestow thy healing upon this afflicted one. With burning heart and tearful eyes, I supplicate thee at thy threshold. Oh God, protect me from tests. Thou knowest full well that I've turned away from all things, and freed myself of all thoughts. I have no occupation save mention of thee, no aspiration save serving thee.